Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can customize the widget campaigns in Selleasy, which are created for Shopify stores. So I'm using Upsell and Cross-Sell Selleasy app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. I will show you how you can just customize the widgets which I have already created in the Selleasy app. For this, you have to first install the app from the Shopify App Store and create a campaign. So I will show you one guide. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I have already created one campaign named add-ons. So for you, if you are to customize it for a new campaign, you can just create the campaign and the campaign will be showing up here in this list and you can just customize it. On clicking this, you can see the customize the appearance over here. So just click on this. So the already existing one campaign is like this, and we can just customize this look to ourselves. So which are compatible to our store. So you can just see the uh, customized settings over here. So just click on the customize appearance and the widget theming. You can just either go for the default one. So you can just see the preview here. So I'm just going with the compact one, and you can see the compact one should be look like this. And yeah, typography primary color, you can just go with uh, any color that your stores you matched your store theme. Just I'm going with this a maroon kind of a color, and the secondary color also you can just have maybe a red one. Yeah. And widget title size, either you can keep it as small, so or a medium or a larger one like this, and I'm keeping it as larger. And subtitle I'm keeping as medium. And the product tile size, whether you can just see it's small or a medium, so medium maybe a better one or a better choice. And the price detail, we can also have sale price color to be show up like I'm just planning to have the dark kind of a red. Yeah, let's go with this. And discount price color, let's have oh like kind of a red. And product size, whether it should show as a small, a medium or a larger one. I'm just keeping it as a larger one. And the text and translation, you can either go on with the default text like the widget title and the subtitles and the free product price and the pitch label, and you can also product rating template to be set up over here like that. And yeah, so the setup is done, and the yeah, these are the basic modes and I have done with this. So let's save this and see how this works in our store. I'm just refreshing the product detail page to see how this works. So you can say that the we have changed our, or we have customized the widget to our style, and it's working as letters. So that's how you can just customize the widget campaigns in Selleasy app very easily, which are already created. And if you're new to create a campaign, let's see. So then on clicking create campaign, you can just uh, click on any campaign, and then you can find the customize the appearance widget over here. So that's how you can create this. So this is a very easy one. You can try this out today itself. So while you're waiting for, just try this out now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.